Hi everyone, I'm very happy to be with you this evening. I hope you all had a great day. And tonight, before we all go to bed, I really wanted to share this little verse with you. And we're going to read in Exodus 23, verse 25 to 33. I really want to share about these verses because most of the time we only try to hold on to the promises, but the promises of God comes with few work, with condition. And in these verses, we talk about how the Lord promises that if we serve Him, He will bless our home. He will not. We will not have barren women. We will not have all kind of negative things. But first, we have to serve the Lord. But as Christian or human being, most of the time, what we do, we just want to have the goodies. We don't want to work for it. We don't want to try. We just want to have the promises. So tonight, before we go to bed, I really want to encourage each one of us to take the time and read those verses and see what is there for us as Christians and what is it that we need to do before we start claiming what we claim and not see something happening. Are we really in the right or entitled to it? So, my beloved one, please, let's read. Let's, try to discover and understand what is there for us. May the Lord bless you all and have a good night. See you all tomorrow.